12 General Assessment 3, Part 1, LMS, Plan, Course Map. Grade 12, Assessment Checkpoint 3, 12 General, Interactive Handout, select this, download, enable editing, put your name, put your class. Select the Tinkercad link. Copy and tinker. We have an LED, a resistor, and an ultrasonic sensor. We need to build the circuit. So we need to connect the LED, the resistor, and the sensor. Connect the resistor to pin 13. Connect the LED to the resistor. Connect the small leg, the cathode, to ground. Connect the power to 5 volts. Connect the ground to ground. We're going to connect the trig to pin 10 and the echo to pin 11. Trig, pin 10, echo, pin 11. That is part 1 of your project.